Let the peace of Christ control your hearts. Let the word of Christ dwell in you richly.
The Lord be with you.
I also with you.
From the Holy